We're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside of Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at this 8.5 by 20 charcoal gray enclosed trailer with blackout package. This features the black ATP stone guard in the front. Comes with your jack, coupler, and safety chains. Vent. This is a charcoal gray screwed exterior. Here we have the tandem axles. Comes with two 5,200-pound axles. It is wired with LED drive lights. Does feature the spring assisted loading ramp that's made of heavy duty plywood. Has your D-rings built in. Has an interior height of 7 feet. The floor and the walls are made of heavy duty plywood. Has the one sheet ceiling. We have your passenger entry door, as well as your light switch here that does go to your overhead dome light. Once again, this is going to be our 8.5 by 20 foot charcoal gray enclosed trailer with blackout package. If you're interested in this trailer or any other trailers you've seen on our YouTube channel, give us a call at 615-641-7720.